catch this on camera for y'all, man. Look at how much my trailer is leaning, man. And it ain't because of something going on with the trailer. It's because of something going on with the truck. Man, this has been an aggravating issue lately because it seems like I've been noticing it more lately. It's one of the things I like about hauling wood chips is the unloading process. And the loading process ain't bad either, but unloading process, I don't need no people. I used to do flatbed. I had to go inside the building, get the forklift driver, get him to come out after he, take the last pallet off. I give him the paperwork to sign right there. He got to take it inside. 10 minutes later, you got to go find him. With van freight, you got to wait for a door or whatever. I did van freight for a while, but with these chips, just pull in, back up on the tipper, hit the button, tipper goes up. And I'm sure it's people here somewhere, but I darn sure don't see nobody. Another tipper back there, got the trailer up on it now. That's the hardwood pile over there. This is the pine pile right here. This is what I'm dropping right now, pine. You probably can't see that black chute up there. That is where you're gonna see stuff start falling out the back of my trailer. Over here, you're gonna notice there's a belt back there, conveyor belt. It carries that stuff all the way around. Those houses look like houses or hallways. Those are conveyor belts. And it runs it all the way over there and drops it in that pile over there. That's the logging side of the facility. Over there on that side of the bridge. These places are always, most of the mills I go to is always right on the water. Tipper's finished going up right now. So now I'm just waiting. And I'll lower this tipper back down. This is my third of 4 drops. It's Friday, I'm tired, grinding it out. I normally try to grind it out the last day before the weekend, just to get it in, a little bit more on the paycheck. Just finished tipping the truck. The trailer's empty now. You can see, the trailer still leans. Go to the passenger side. It still leans even though the trailer's empty. And I can't figure this issue out. I've been keeping my eyes on it. I done spent money chasing the issue around already. And I ain't got it figured out yet. But I'm a little bit tired of dealing with it. It's one tire on that front drive axle on the passenger side that keeps getting chewed up. Scale out. Ticket. Please take the receipt. Comes out there. Scan my key card. Gate opens up. And we's up out of here. So, here we are. I'm still in West Point. I'm maybe 5-10 minutes up the road from the place that I just dropped at. And the objective is to get back to Hopewell. I bought the load that I just dropped from down that way. But the objective is to get back down to Hopewell. So I could just go back empty, but fuel is too high to do that. So I'm gonna grab up a load of this boiler fuel. I'm about to load it up myself here, throw it in the trailer, and run that back. This is my back haul, basically, and that'll get me back home where I live. So I can't hold the camera while I'm operating the loader, obviously.
I am not friendly, I came for the paper, little baby, don't get it confused. I see them paying the play, they be paying for money, I'm paying my dues. They cannot see me unless I'm on TV in times when they happen.
So I'll be getting back with y'all in just a little bit. All done.
I've been on 10 like 4th grade, same but I'm more paid. Lame throwing more shade, but you know it don't fade.
done loading up the truck. Took me maybe 15 minutes, 17 minutes. But you know what though? It's 5:44 right now, Friday evening. When you see this tarp right here, obviously I need to pull it back to cover the load. But you know, that stuff gonna shake down in there in a very few minutes because I got a rocky road to go out on. I don't feel like covering that thing. I'm out of here, man. I'm about to run this back to Hopewell. I'll see y'all when I get on that end.
I've been out grinding and hustling, investing this paper, got tired of eating that ramen. All of my music be heat, I ain't missing a beat. I've been blessed with impeccable timing. Watch all them people who friendly, it turn into envy whenever they see that you shine. Okay, I'm back out fresh.
Pulling up over here to this last drop.
Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a.
Alright, let me check in here. Alright. Green light there. Whew! End of a long day. Go back here, open this trailer up. That joint later, man. Ha! But I asked the mechanic today, because, you know, for the last week or two, I've been asking everybody that I can about this situation, about that lean. And I ran across a guy just now that looked up under there real good. And he was like, man, I think I know what your problem is. He said, I think your spring is weak. Look at that joint leaning, man. He said, I think your spring is weak. And he showed me something on that spring. So, might have something I can get checked out. Key out of that gate. Key in. Lights already green. Hit the raise button. Tipper goes up. Tipper 1, tipper 2. Other tipper over there. Screen right here we look at to see exactly when the trailer is finished dumping. Some of the other tippers is light working, but on this one right here, they don't go by the light. As soon as my door starts swinging, then I know the trailer is empty already. My door swinging now, yeah, I know my trailer's empty. I hit the lower side. Same thing here that it is at the other facility. Ain't no people around. I don't know if somebody in that house or not. I don't think it is. See no people out here. Chip piles over there. And the fan going up in here for us. So I hope y'all can hear me. Key back out. That gate don't open up without this key. Turn the key. Key out. Ready to go. Close this door. long day. End of a long week. Lovely. That's that money right there. I don't have my key. Hey, little man. My son and my niece.
I'm talking to Solomon and I can't see his Roblox character.
Yeah.
How can I know?
Hey, Dakira. This is my niece, Dakira. You just not gonna say hello.
Hi.
Oh. Where did everybody go? I guess they went downstairs. Where are you? And this is my other niece, Nzinga. Say hello. Morris!
Yes?
How was school today?
Good.
What did you learn?
I learned about morning work and morning meeting struggle.
Very tired. I think I'm gonna hop in the shower and I'm gonna go out on the patio and sip some scotch, and we're gonna talk out there about whether this life is worth it.
Oh my gosh. Don't do that. You recording me?
Maurice Bay, the helpful trucker here. For more helpful CDL tips, go here or consider subscribing to my YouTube channel right here. You could have been anywhere else in the world, but instead you chose to be here with me, and I really appreciate that.